2008. Here's Rob with his village. Oh, there goes the train. What?
Make a movie.
I am making a movie, honey. Oh, here it comes. Whoa, there it goes. Coming around. Goes into Rob's gorgeous mountain that he finished. Wow, look at this. Here it comes. Around the track. All the way around our beautiful village. Back into the mountain. Here it comes again. Whoa, there it goes. Oh my gosh.
Look, see, that's where the blue boy sits. He sits in that first car.
Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, Court, it's so exciting.
That's where the blue boy sits in the first car.
What's the name of this train, Court?
Polar Express.
Polar Express. Wow.
I see.
There goes the Polar Express train. What car is that on the back? Is that the car with all the presents for all the good little girls and boys? Oh, going all the way, big trip around the village, yay!
Where's Court?
Okay, Court's standing in front of the Christmas tree. It's going to be Christmas on Thursday. And what are we going to do on Christmas morning, Court?
Open presents.
Do we run downstairs in our pajamas?
Yeah.
And then we look under the tree. Are there any presents under the tree right now? There's no presents under the tree. There's a kitty right here. Hi, kitty. Hi, Epo. Hello, little Epo. And over here we have our deer that lights up at night.
And Polar Express.
And the Polar Express on the train over there. We're still cleaning up. We got it all set up.
No, I want to show you.
You want to show me something? All right. What are we going to show me?
See? Here's the train.
Okay.
Here's the train. Here's all the track that goes all the way into the mountain. And one operation.
Wow. All the way into Daddy's mountain? That's incredible.
Lots of villages.
Look at this village.
Lots of people.
Lots of people in the villages.
And there's Santa top of the mountain.
Santa's on top of the mountain. What is he doing there? What do you think he's doing there? Is he flying?
There's lots of people who want to be around by the village.
Oh, okay. I'm going to go find Santa. Let's see if I can find Santa. Oh my gosh, I think I found him, Court.